Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth. I'm back with you, and we are going to continue to talk more about the Cash Building System Unlimited postcard mailing program that I have been part of since 2021 and have been consistently earning with CBSU ever since I got started, okay? This is a wonderful opportunity. It is super simple, and you can get started for only a one-time $50 investment, okay? Now, there are different packages available to you, so you can pick and choose where you believe it's going to be the best for you to get started, and of course, you can upgrade at any time. Now, what you want to do first and foremost is begin by watching this video right here, okay? You'll click the play button. You'll watch this short little 3-minute 57-second video that is a great overview presentation, breaks it all down. The simplicity of the Cash Building System Unlimited, and there is no experience needed whatsoever. Anybody, and I do mean anybody, can do this. If you can mail a postcard, you can make money, okay? When you get started, you get a complete CBSU postcard marketing kit package in the mail from JD Marketing. That will include for you 200 postcards, 200 leads on pill and stick lead labels. You'll have information, you'll have resources, you'll have everything you need to be up and running and mailing in no time, okay? Your CBSU marketing kit right here, okay? It's going to have valuable information, valuable resources, print and mail, everything you need to succeed, okay? Now, of course, like anything, I can't make income claims, guarantees, or promises. Your results will be dependent upon your personal efforts. The name of the game is be willing to commit to the process. Once you get started, just remain consistent. Consistency is key to being successful in any opportunity, especially a direct mail order opportunity. Now, this is very simple, okay? No need to worry about anything. JD Marketing, they're going to create all the Cash Building System Unlimited postcards for you, your marketing materials, and they will forward your weekly cash payments to you as well, okay? Every time you get signups, they accumulate, and then they send you checks. Just like I had another surprise mailbox money check show up in my mailbox the other day, and I will share that with you here momentarily, okay? Because I know people always are asking me, well, Marybeth, how's that Cash Building System Unlimited program going? You still making money with it? Absolutely, folks, and you can too, okay? Yes, this is 100% legal. It's 100% legit. Okay, now commissions must always be paid only on the sale of a product of our goods, okay? And since there is a valuable marketing kit that contains everything you need, okay, to be successful, it is absolutely positively 100% legal and 100% legit. And you can review all of this verbiage in detail, okay? And here's proof that dates back, all the way to like 2021, all right? Ever since I got started with the Cash Building System Unlimited, all right? And fast forward now to June of 2025, still very much consistently earning with Cash Building System Unlimited, okay? You don't have to worry ever about having products that you have to ship or any selling needed, folks. I mean, you can do this completely 100% offline by just mailing postcards, okay? Very simple. Order your postcards, order your stamps. You can do that all online. I'll provide you with all of my resources, pill and stick lead labels. I have excellent resources for discounted postage, which will help you to definitely, reduce the cost of your mailings, all right? And I'll provide you with all of my top premier lead resources for a direct mail order. I've been in direct mail order since 2015 now, 10 years in this industry. It's been absolutely a wonderful, wonderful journey, okay? Ever since I made the decision to take action, like many, I stepped out, I took a leap of faith, and I have never looked back, okay? So I encourage everybody to give this serious consideration because you can literally be up and running and started for $50. Now, if you're anything like me, you probably don't want to leave money on the table. So I do encourage you to try to come in, try to stretch yourself as much as humanly possible, and try to come in at a higher a higher level. But of course, you can always upgrade at any time, all right? So you'll be able to start earning income once you get started and put the system to work for you and start getting signups, okay? And yes, it only costs a one-time $50 to join. There's no monthly fees. Now we have level 1, $100. We have level 2, $500, which is a very, very sweet spot, by the way, okay? And then we have level 3, equally popular. Okay, it's $1,000. Now you earn 70% commissions. And then you also earn 20% on the efforts of your direct team members. So they get 70 and you get 20 and the company gets 10, okay? So for every person who will join you directly, whether that be from a post that you make, whether that be from a video that you create, something on social media, okay? I also do videos in addition to mailing out postcards, or if you're just mailing out postcards, you get a direct referral sign up. 70% goes to you. So if you're at the level 1, you get $70. If you're at level 2, you get $350. If you're at level 3, you get $700. And then your team members are going to be out there doing their thing. And every time they produce, you'll be able to collect 20%. So that would be $20 on a $100 level 1, $100 on the level 2, and $200 on level 3, and so forth and so on. And as you can see, there are a grand total of 8 levels. So just get in where you fit in, okay? Main thing is get started in, I personally believe that everybody out there can afford to invest in a better future, a one-time $50 bill, okay? Trust me on that. Here's my ID 1014. Make sure when you are signing up that you do enter this if you're signing up online. Excuse me. Or if you're going to do it by mail, make sure that you include this on the form when you ship it in. Okay? And you can get started right here with a credit card. Okay, so let me just show you what that looks like. All right. So there you go. Up to a certain level, you can do a credit or a debit card. All right. And we're going to go back here. And if you prefer, you can do it by mail and just print this off. So there's the form. All you have to do is print this off. There's the address right here. There's my referral ID already on here, 1014. That's me. Just make sure you see that. And then just print your name, full name, mailing address, city, state, zip, telephone number, and email address. And then read this very carefully, okay? So you can send this off by mail, or you can simply believe the first couple levels you can do by credit card. All right, so there you go, right there. Okay, debit or credit card. So there you go. There's a 24-hour recorded information line. All right, there's my information. If you have any questions about anything, the best way to reach me, I welcome all serious inquiries. Call me or text me. There's my number right there, 330-787-1795. I am in Ohio, Eastern Standard Time. And I'm 1014, and you'll have your unique ID assigned so that when people sign up with you, this will be on your postcards, and that's how you'll be able to get credit for all signups through your unique assigned ID that the company sends to you, okay? Okay, though there's the 24-hour hotline. Feel free to dial into it. Be prepared to be amazed and inspired. And yeah, this is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Just take your time, read through everything, watch a short little video. And with that being said, I will leave you with this. Alrighty. Alrighty. A nice mailbox money surprise in the dollar amount of $200. Okay. As you can see right there. So this was a pass up. Alrighty. And there you go. So this was made off of the efforts of one of my team members. So always, always exciting, folks. So with that being said, I would like to welcome Tony to Cash Building System Unlimited. All right. So thank you very much. And with that being said, folks, you know what to do next. And I hope to talk to you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now until the next video.